to more breaking inputs that we continue to track here on Mirror now. In fact, let's also tell you essentially the ground zero situation as far as the Nipah virus that is concerned in Kerala, because the second Nipah death has been reported in the state. Restrictions have been imposed in Malappuram after the Nipah death. Now, let's also tell you masks have been made mandatory at public gatherings. So that's also the precautionary measure that's been taken, considering the fact that we're looking at the second death that's been reported. Cinema theatres also to be shut amid the Nipah fear. Let's also tell you another decision being taken that schools and colleges will be shut in Malappuram and people should report if symptoms occur. Cautionary restrictions imposed in one district. Taking that across to Jayalakshmi, my colleague joining us for more details. Jayalakshmi, given what we're looking at, many restrictions that have been imposed, tell us more.
Yes, after the second Nipah-related death in the entire state, we know for the fact that the first Nipah death was reported last month from, again, Malappuram district. So this is the second case that have been reported, and it has been confirmed by the health ministry that this is a death occurred due to the Nipah virus. And what we know is that this specific individual was, studying in Bangalore. He was studying in a private college in Bangalore, and it was reported. So, the contact tracing, that is the most important step as far as finding out this disease is concerned. The contact tracing has begun, and right now there are 151 primary contacts that has been reported, and after that, the health ministry has given out advisory as to what and all is necessary for the district. And after this advisory has been issued, the main restriction is that public gatherings should be avoided. That is the major step that is the health department has asked the people to do, that people should refrain from coming outside of their houses, especially when the Kerala is having a festive season right now. It is Onam celebrations going on across the state, and in fact today is also a religiously festival day for the Muslim religion as well. It's Prophet Nabi's birthday. So again, all of these festivals are in the corner at one point of time. So the health department has definitely instructed people to refrain from stepping out, and because of in the wake of the deaths, the movie theaters have also been shut down for today, and in fact schools and colleges have also been shut down. So again, this is a disease that spreads through contact. So definitely the government issuing orders to, refrain from going out and maintain all the necessity precautions. Masks have been made mandatory as of now, and definitely something that the public is going to take care of. And also we know that, because of this festival season, there are chances that people might step out. So that has been again asked not to be done. And the most important part is people should take the initiative to come and report if there is any symptoms that have been contacted by them. If they feel feverish or if they feel chills in the body, then they have to report to the nearby hospitals is the next important step that has been given in the advisory. So in that, people can actually trace back to what are the symptoms. So even though contact tracing has begun and people related to this primary contact are being traced out at this moment, what we understand is that the government has advised people to take all the precautionary measures and to stay safe, and to also being a responsible citizen, to also come forward and report themselves in case they feel uncomfortable.
All right, Jayalakshmi, we'd have to leave it at that, but thank you very much for joining us with the latest and helping us draw a better perspective as to what steps have been taken given what we're looking at in terms of the ground reality with the virus. Having said that,